Let's do a beautiful sum, a very interesting one. Let's see the sum. It says that in this figure, we have the value of Pn given as 15. The value of PQ is given as 25. The value of PR is 20. And the value of NR is 8. And it says state whether NM is parallel to QR. Now, in a triangle, when we get a line parallel to a side, we know that we'll get it provided we get Pn upon NR is equal to Pm upon MQ. So we need to get these ratios, but in order to get these ratios, we should first know the value of Pn and we should also know the value of MQ. So let's find that, then we can find the ratio. So let's do that. In order to get Pn, it's very simple. We know the value of PR, right? So we know PR is equal to Pn plus NR. What's the reason? Yes, it is P dash N dash R. Now substitute the value. The value of PR we know is 20. So we write that 20 there. The value of Pn we don't know. Keep it as it is. Value of NR is 8. Now solve it. So we'll get Pn is equal to 20 minus 8. And 20 minus 8, how much is that? We get the value of Pn as 12 units. So we ended up getting the value of Pn. Now we need to find the value of MQ. Let's do that. So now we write PQ is equal to Pm plus MQ. The reason is P dash M dash Q. Now substitute the value. The value of PQ we know is 25. The value of PM is 15. And the value of MQ we don't know. Keep it as it is. So now we'll get MQ is equal to 25 minus 15. How much is that? And we end up getting the value of MQ as 10 units. We got this value. So we got the value of Pn. We got the value of MQ. Right? Now can we find the ratio? Yes. So let's find the ratio now. So now we find the ratio Pn upon Nr. So Pn upon Nr. Substitute the value of Pn. How much is that? 12. Value of Nr. How much is that? We know value of Nr is 8. Do the cancellation here. So it is 4 2s are and 4 3s are. So we get the value as 3 upon 2. We got this ratio. Right? Keep it as it is. Let's say this is our result number 1. Now find the next ratio which we want. What is that? Pm upon MQ. So we write Pm upon MQ. The value of Pm we know. How much is that? 15. The value of MQ we just got. How much is that? 10. So we get 15 upon 10. Do the cancellation. It is both are divisible by 5. So it is 5 2s are, 5 3s are. We get the ratio as how much? 3 upon 2. And that's our result number 2. Now what do we see in result number 1 and result number 2? It is, we can see that the ratios are equal. That means we are saying that in this triangle we have Pn upon Nr. This ratio is equal to Pm upon MQ. And we know that. From where did we get this? We got it from 1 and 2. So we are saying that in this triangle, if these ratios are equal, so tell me what happens? Yes, you are very correct. We have this line parallel to this side. So we can say here that we have line NM parallel to side QR, and we know the reason for this. The reason for this is by converse of basic proportionality theorem. Wasn't that easy? A beautiful sum, right?